Check out this Cadillac 2017 XT5 Luxury FWD. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are driver awareness package, preferred equipment Group 1 SC, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose Premium 8-speaker audio system feature, radio data system, radio, Cadillac Q info and media control system, Sirius XM satellite radio and air conditioning. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.